Alright, what's going on, guys? How you doing? We got this DEERC, I'm not sure what brand model it is, but it's a boat. Yeah, it's a puppy. The dog in the background barking, swimming. So we're gonna play around with this little DEERC boat. First time we messed with this one, we had that WL toy, the WL one. We're gonna check this one out. We're at a pond, Willard Pond area, so. But I try to keep it close because, yeah. It's a little wavy out today because it's windy. But yeah, it's a DEERC little boat. Definitely a little wavy today. Ooh, oops. Definitely not a bad pond to come over here, man. Yeah, a couple big bigger rigs. Ooh, oh, we're getting a little close to the water. My foot was getting wet. I'm like, I mean, not a little bad little rig for like less than $100 bucks. I think I paid $80 something for it. Heck yeah. Definitely not a bad little rig, man. I remember what I paid. It was less than $100 bucks. The steering. Steering definitely got a weird delay on it, or it doesn't turn. Slow. Definitely a slow steering on it. Like it doesn't steer like all the way. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to steer better, but I don't know. Definitely a lot of wake in this water though. I don't know why it's not turning, like it's like... Definitely. Yeah, it's a little better now. Whoa. Could be, I think the log's right there. I'll be careful, I don't want to hit that rudder. Hit that rudder or that thing. Alright, man. Hopefully you guys will like this video. This is our DRC. Here's the pond. So, hopefully you'll like it. And that's probably telling me that the battery's dying. So, alright, man. Which is pretty cool. If that's telling me that the battery is getting low on the controller. So, alright, man. Hope you like this video. Thumbs it up, and like the content, subscribe. Alright, check you out later.